Medial longitudinal fasciculus. This is a reflex in which when your head turns to the left, your eyes turn to the right. Whatever direction your head turns, your eyes turn to the opposite direction. A lot of people say that this reflex doesn't make sense to them because they try to do it. They try to like turn their head to the right, and then they say that their gaze also went to the right, and that is because when you're doing that, you're doing a voluntary gaze. This is when you're not aware of it. So this is in a case where you're sitting in class and you're looking at the board, and then you turn your head away from the board to the right, and then your gaze is still at the left. Okay, so basically when you turn your head to the left, in this case, this is an anatomical position, on the left side, the utricle and the saccule become activated, and they send their signal to the cell bodies located in vestibular ganglion. Another name for vestibular ganglion is the Scarpes ganglion. The signal is sent via cranial number 8, your vestibulocochlear nerve. Next, this nerve will synapse with vestibular nucleus. At the levels of pons or medulla. And once after it synapses over here, it will decussate. It just means that it goes to the contralateral side. It will go to the contralateral side and it will synapse with parapontine reticular formation. So here you have which will send its signal via its axon, and its axon will bifurcate and synapse with two different nuclei at this level. One of them is abducens nucleus, which will send its nerve, the abducens nerve, to innervate the eye muscle. So you have abducens nucleus, which will send cranial number 6, abducens nerve, to innervate the muscle over here to abduct the eye, and that would be lateral rectus. Abduction. The other axon will synapse with medial longitudinal nucleus. So this is the medial longitudinal nucleus, which will send its axon to the other side, so it decussates. And it will synapse with the oculomotor nucleus. Is it better? Okay. Oculomotor nucleus will send its axon via the oculomotor nerve, cranial number 3, to innervate your medial rectus muscle. Which deducts the eye.